Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? So here I have my olive oil. So here is my sunflower oil. I'm going to be adding that as well. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own DIY extreme hair growth hair grease. Okay, so here I have my mint and peppermint oil and leaf, the dry one. If you can't find the dry one, you can use the wet, you can use the fresh one. Okay, so I'm using the dry one because I have it. So I'm going to add that inside, so you can add as many as you want. So here I have my clove, already blended glove. So if you don't have the already blended one, you can blend it by yourself. So here I have my ginger. So now, so I'm going to be adding that. You can add as many as you want. Here is my ginger, that one is clove and garlic. So I use garlic as well. This one is ginger, the other one is garlic, while this one is ginger. Okay, I use mint leaf, ginger, clove and garlic. Okay, that is the three products I use. Okay, that is the product, the main product, while the rest are oils. You saw the oil, olive oil and sunflower oil. So as time goes on, you will see more things that I'm going to be adding to it. So just keep watching. Today I'm showing you how to you can make your own effective hair growth grease at home by yourself, for you to use for your hair. If you want your hair to grow very well, you want to know the ingredients that you have in your product. Okay, so after adding everything, I'm just mixing them to combine very well together, as you can see. So after this, I'm going to heal my spoon so that nothing missing, nothing broken, nothing is going to be wasting. There's no wastage here. Okay, so I'm just going to cover. This is how it's looking like. I just want to show you how it's looking like. Now I'm going to cover it, put it on hot water every other day for 2 weeks. Okay, you can do just 1 week. I really want this product to release all its nutrient inside this oil. This is about 2 weeks and some days later. This is how dark and nutrient full my product is now. So I have my sun's cap, and then I just pouring out the product inside my sauce cap. So as you can see, so I have that there, so there will be no too much residue inside my product. So when you use sauce cap, there's not going to be residue inside your product. Okay, you have to use sauce this cap. This is wig cap. I don't know what they call it. Weave-on cap, the one you wear before you wear your wig, sauce cap. So you have to have this so that you can get out all the residue. Okay, so you can also use your strainer. That strainer is not going to do much justice. You add the strainer on top of the sauce cap. Okay, so here I have my product. You can see how beautiful. There's no residue at all. Everything is just so clean and nice. Very effective hair group product that you are seeing right here. So here is our first product we produce. Now let's go and add more. This is how looking like. Here I have my castor oil. So you have to add castor oil for strengthening, for growth. Okay, so now I'm going to add 2 spoons. Here I have my Vaseline. This is going to be a moisturizer and a sealer. Okay, so I have here my shea butter, which is going to moisturize your hair, keep it conditioned. So I have my wheat germ oil. Okay, you can add any oil that you have in case you don't have the one that I'm using. So this is the one I am using. Okay, I have 2 spoons of wheat germ oil. I have my cow butter, I also add that as well. Here I'm going to be using yellow beeswax. If you have the white one, you can use this. Is going to make the product to solid, like solid oil, to make it look, to make it a hair grease. Okay, you need a beeswax to make your hair grease. So I went off camera to melt it. After melting it, this is how it's looking like now. If you want to pour it on rubber container, allow the product to cool down very well first before you transfer it to your container. So allow mine to cool down. Now it's time for me to transfer it to my container, as you can see me doing. So after this, now you can just leave it aside, allow the product to get thick on its own. If you want it to be to think more faster, maybe you want to use it now, just put it in your fridge, give it some minutes, and it's going to be solid like hair grease that you normally bought in the market. This is how clean and beautiful the product is looking now. I'm just going to put it at the fridge because I want to just use it now. So after some few minutes, this is the reveal of my DIY hair growth grease. That the smell is heavily, it smells so natural and pure. Like, just look at how beautiful it look. I really love this outcome of this hair grease. So if you want to buy, please send me a DM. I will send to you anywhere you are. Okay, just hold your money. So it's time for me to just apply this to my hair. You can use it to make your braid out, your twist out, use it to moisturize, seal in moisture, anyhow you want to use it. This smell is so amazing. So now I'm just going to put it on my hair. This is it's so moisturizing. Like, the ingredients in this product are bomb. Glove is amazing when it comes to our hair growth. If you're suffering from hair breakage, your hair is going to stop breaking. Trust me. If you have a split end, moisturize your hair with this product. You are going to see amazing results. So first of all, I'm going to apply water to my hair to moisturize my hair first. So water is moisture. So then I will use my hair grease to sit in the water moisture inside my hair, if that makes sense. So use it on my hair length, on my scalp, every part of my hair. So thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. If you are here from Facebook, please don't forget to follow my page. If you are here from YouTube, subscribe, turn on your post notification, share this video to your friends and loved ones. To my old subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. To my new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I see you all. I appreciate all your love. Thank you so much. Okay, so now if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, share to your friends and family. If you are here for the first time, subscribe. Okay, so this is how the product is still going, still looking amazing. So this product is so much, you can use it in different ways, variety of ways. You want to use it on your hair, you want to use it to twist out, braid that, moisturize, sealing moisture is here for you. As you can see, the product that I use, they are so pure and natural, but there's no harsh chemical in it at all. This is how you know what you are putting on your hair in case you want to start doing your own product on your hair. First of all, make a video on leave-in conditioner. Now is the hair grease. See, you can just make your leave-in conditioner, then make your hair grease. You are good to go. Your hair is amazing. Your hair is ready to grow out so fast. So now is this the back of my hair. Make sure that I massage the product inside my hair very well, as you can see. Then this is really good. If you find this video helpful, like I said, please don't forget to subscribe, follow my page from Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to your loved ones. Okay, let them go and make their own product by themselves. This is clove, ginger, garlic, and mint leaf. Okay, with other ingredients that I add to it. If you want to wash it again to get a better understanding, you are free to wash as many as you want, as many times as you want. Okay, so now after moisturizing my hair with this my product still in moisture and all that, just going to take it back to the former stage where I bring it from. I'm going to put the hair together like so. So I'm going to also apply to my edge. One thing I love about this product, that I can feel the meat leaf inside this product, the peppermint. You know, peppermint have that hot sensation, so I can feel that sensation inside this product. Thank you so much for watching.